Alex ari kuguza amafaranga ari kubwira umuntu ati nje hari umuntu nshaka gufasha. Shiriano.
Hello?
Yego.
What are you talking about?
Uri kuvuga ibiki?
Oh, Alex.
I heard Yaman.
Yaman.
Talking to Theo, he came to ask for money.
Who is Theo?
Twahuriye ahantu ari kuguza amafaranga.
Who are you hanging out with, Alice?
Wari uri mu
Oh,
biki?
Theo, Yaman.
Ese ubwo icyo nicyo kibazo aka kanya Yaman. Okay.
Where is Alex now?
Sawa basi Alex.
Car now.
Ndamukurikiye ndi mu modoka ubu nona.
Okay.
Sawa. Yatinyohereza live location. Yaman. Icyo hano nyimukase. Yaman amwibira imodoka do. Yaman ibi imodoka ya mukase. Ba mukase babanda bari abana beza. Kabaro w'ikigaru twari imodoka yakwereka ukuntu umwana wundi abishye inkonda do.
I'd wait for Oliver.
Hold on.
Ntegereje umushoferi.
Why are you so tense? Let's say
Komba nawe apanitse
I'll
bite.
drop you off. So what?
Baretse nkagwa rifite ikibazo kiri.
If Olga's the reason for this tension, I mean, she's the kind of person who doesn't...
Nimba umugore wanjye ari waguteje ibibazo waparitse gutya ntakari umwana mwiza.
Very well.
Byiza.
Besides, I have so many reasons to be tense, and I made them clear.
Je mfite impamvu zandakaje kandi
You don't
nazisobanura.
need to give me a ride.
Rero nta lift yawe
I
nkeneye.
can go myself.
Nakwicyura nta lift yawe nkeneye mbabarira. Sho ni Natalie. Sho yivumbuye. Chese hano.
You take care of Olga.
Kandi nawe uze kwita ku mugore wawe Oruga. Sibyo?
Stressed her enough with all of that.
Wamaze kumutera stress zihagije utaza kongeramo izindi. Sho. Natali sinzi impamvu ugenda kubona wagira ngo yabyegereje umutima mwende muri kubibona. Yageze hano.
What happened?
Bigenze bite? Yamani.
I mean Ali.
Ndavuga Ali.
He just got in my car and drove.
Afashe imodoka yanjye araxera arirukanka sinzi ahantu agiye.
How?
Uzahana agiye wapi?
To go.
Ageze.
Just get in the car.
Jya mu modoka tugenda urabimbaza ngenzi ahantu agiye jya mu modoka tugenda.
The left side of the street.
Aje hakuno.
Where do you guys live?
Oliver yaraje kumutora n'umushoferi wiwe uko asohoye Iselani mwibuke. Agiye mu modoka hano. Ciao. Wobe hakuno. Aho Alex abari gufasha ubwo Liliana se nabo bari hakuno mwibuke bari muri kakazu ko mu cyaro kandi Steven yigeze gucicishirizamo Ivan murabyibuka kera. Bari hakuno. Ari hano. Nibutse filime cha kuri decoder ya Star Times. Kuri sheni yitwa Ganza TV uyu munsi kuva saa 12 za nimugora saa 12:45 uzamuka ukagera saa 2 top. Rero mugura amadekoderi vuba bigishyushye dore mondial irabura umunsi umwe. Ubure kugura amadekoderi dore igikombe cy'isi kirabura umunsi umwe ngo muzamwitotomba ngo mwabuze aho murebera match. Mbabona hakuno cyangwa se ushaka gukomeza kureba iyi filime wajya muri App Store yawe cyangwa Play Store downloadinga application yitwa Star Times On. Ntabwo ari amafaranga menshi ubusanga ari nk'amafaranga y'igihumbi mu cyumweru cyangwa namwe murashona si mubyumva neza. Hey! Ukirebera filime mukajya mureka kubyuka munyandikira mugaheza du episode duce. Is episode n'ukuri kuri Star Times On. Application muri telefone ziba ziriho kandi zigereraho ku gihe mwajya muzireba mu gihe imihanda mutarazibona. Nawe hakuno ni Yaman Ali.
I suppose he's going to the farmhouse.
Ndatekereza ko Alex ari kwerekeza hehe? Ari kwerekeza kuri kakazu ko mu cyaro. Uko bamwandikiye. Kina hano. Ni George Aiden. Jano. Kureba yakarita abagemo ibintu byande bya Natalie. Nta kintu kikirimo. Bivuze ngo umugore we ashobora kuba yabijugunya ari. Biracyarimo we. Byano bari bakiri batoya tarazana n'imvi. Bonye ko umugore we yabibonye. Bonye ko umugore we yabibonye ni George Aiden.
And you answering your phone.
Ese we kutaruri kwita telefone.
Oh, I see you don't know where she is either, huh?
Bivuze ngo nawe ntabwo uzanda.
At all.
Wa mwavuka munyamategeko.
Come on in, Melissa.
Injira Melissa, injira winsaza nawe ufite ubugambo. Melissa yaje.
Take a seat.
Shut up.
Let me guess.
Reka mfombo.
She just left you.
Yagutaye, sibyo? Yeah?
Are you always this funny?
Se urumva ibyo bintu bisekeje
With me.
No, I'm a very serious person.
Wenda iseriye kuri ibi bintu ntabwo ndi mu mikino. Cyenda umuntu buri seriye.
That's just what I'm doing.
Nibyo ndi gukora.
That's what will happen if you push too much.
Dore nuko bigenda iyo uhatirije ibintu cyane. Ibikize.
Look,
umva.
This is private.
Ubu ni ubuzima bwanje bwite.
I'm not going to argue with you.
Sindi butongane nawe.
Way, Olga doesn't worry about it as much as you do.
Olga ntabwo abahangayitse nk'uko uba uhangayitse.
You very much for your concern.
Gusa ndagushimira ko ubu biguhangayikishije ibyanje n'umugore wanje. Ariko nta kibazo kibiri mushatse wanje.
I just want to make a small reminder,
Reka
George.
ngira akantu gato nkwibutsa George.
Olga is not the steel machine that you think she is.
Olga nagakiri wa wundi utekereza ko yahoze ari we.
Stand upright. It's slowly wearing her down.
Ndakeka uri kubyumva ibintu uri kumukorera imitwaro y'umwana wawe ngo n'ibiki biri kumuca intege.
Crashes, you'll be underneath her.
Kandi naramuka agiye hasi umenye ko uzamujya munsi wowe. Mu magambo make Olga azaramuka agiye hasi uzajyana hasi sinzaguha agahinja. Inshuti wawe Olga akaba n'umwavoka ni umunyamategeko. Urumva abanyamategeko hari ukuntu ngo ugutegeka gukubita wubitsinda da ni umugani w'ikinyarwanda.
Hey, we're going to have fun. I got dressed up and everything.
Oya arakwereka hakuno Alex Kayizari yaje hakuno sisa.
Ready. They'll bring it out now.
Niteguye buno niho twakora akazi.
Then open my mouth, you see. I wish everyone was like you, I swear.
Mbere yuko ngira n'ijambo mvuga urabona uyu mugabo ahise abyumva. Wa mugabo ufite akabari sasa baje kumuhuza nande na Kayizari umenya Kayizari agiye kujya pushiriza hano. Mwibuke kandi hano hano Alicia nawe agiye kujya aza kuharirimba.
Oh, when you're collecting money.
Hano niho ugiye kujya ukura amafaranga.
What are you staring at?
Ase uri kureba ibiki?
Hold it.
Kundeba gutya.
Thank you, dear brother.
Ambaye neza urakoze muvanda akaze he. Kureba hano abona karira muri aka kabari.
Oh, bro.
Musa.
Wait for a second.
Ndaje gatoya. Ndaje. Hakuno. Yahinduye icyangwe ya myenda yagera yari yarakatiwe rya roza yari yambaye.
Caesar?
Caesar.
It's like the Lord finally answered my request.
Bisa nkaho nyuma na nyuma isi nsubije.
Anything else I could have asked for. What are you doing?
Kindi nahise bari gukora ibicana.
What's it to you?
Kunywa icyayi.
Fine.
Sawa. None se.
I'll just throw this away. If
aka kantu nari ngiye kukajugunya iyo tudahura n'ubundi.
What is it?
Ni igiki
to you.
nakawe.
I'm just kidding.
Ndi gukina mwana.
I bought you a present.
Nakugura impano.
Make a present. But if you're going down on your luck, I'll try to find someone else to take it.
Ni impano ariko nuramuka uyanze ndaza gushaka n'undi muntu nayo wayanze se nkakwereka. Sana hano wamukinga.
Just curious to see. What's this gift you're so proud of?
Iyi mpano se numva uri kwiratana harimo iki?
Open it up and find out yourself.
Fungura nyine urebemo indani wirebere. Fungura wirebere. Gufungura hakuno. Yasanzemo akantu k'aka necklace. Keza da. Ariko mana cyuma. Nakawayaga.
Nothing pairs better with a smile than a rose.
Nta kintu na kimwe cyahuza n'inseko yawe mwana. Nta na kimwe.
Good on you.
Nibuke nyamara uko ibintu byose bigenda, uko byaba bimeze kose. Sizakunda Kalila, nuko yenda Kalila atajya bibona uyu nawe amanutse hasi ni boss nyirakabari. Shano.
Caesar.
We Kayizari wa mujingo. Ngenana, gidagiri. Ndaje boss ndaje.
Princess, I need to get going now.
Gikoma ngoma kazi baye ngiye gatoya.
See you when I see you.
Tuzongere tubonane do. Shano.
Get over here.
I'm here.
Kirano.
Come on, let's move.
Katugende twari tuje kwishyuza bari baje kwishyuza abaco. Yep.
Carla.
Kalila we.
How do you know those guys?
Bari abantu muziranye gute mwibuka uyu n'inshuti ya Alex ni umucuti wanje.
Look, those guys extort places for.
Bari abantu zikibazanye.
Not to mention all the drugs and stuff.
Sinshaka kuvuga ko bacuruza ibintu by'ibiyobyabwenge ariko ntukabizere. Sigombwa kugendana nabo. Kalila ko nakarakabika ko Alex cyana imini. Kayizari acuruza ibiyobyabwenge. Gusa hano bamusigiye akantu k'aka necklace. Bitekereje ngiye kwambara aka necklace kavuye mu biyobyabwenge. Hari umuntu ucyunywa ibiyobyabwenge ukabona n'ubundi mu buzima busanzwe ntabwo agira ukibaza ibintu agiye kuyobya bikagucanga. Kwereka hakuno Alex yaje hano avuye kuguza amafaranga atarajya kure. Alicia araparika nawe cyamukurikiye yamustokinze yabiketse kari gufasha Liana se.
What's it about you?
Wewe ufite icyo kibazo.
Stay away from me?
Usinakubwiye ngo njye kure.
Be careful I don't take your head off.
Tonde ntaguca umutwe. Gira gutya kuramo hano. yishyura mu mafaranga ya Alex umukinga.
Are you hiding our father here?
Uri guhisha se wari muri kumwe. Oye.
Brother, take this.
Muvandi fata naya ngani.
Take it back where you found it.
Musubize iyo muturumbu.
Anywhere.
Ndakwiyamye nta hantu nje. Nta hantu nje ndakwiyamye.
God.
Ah. Se kugenda.
What's up? Did you change your mind? Are you hanging out with me?
Bimeze bite wisubiyeho se?
Oh.
Yeah.
Does it bother you?
Biri kukubangamira se kuba tutagihuza.
Shall I tell you the truth?
Ubwiza ukuri.
Whatever the hell you think you're doing, it's pointless.
Ibyo uri gukora ibyo ari byo byose nta mumaro nta kintu bimaze.
Idiot. That's gonna have to wait until later. This is not your house.
We hano ntabwo ari iwanyu.
If your breakdown is over, that's not the point.
Ikibazo se ni icyo ngicyo, icyo ntabwo ari cyo kibazo.
This is not your house.
Nakubwiye ngo hano ntabwo ari iwanyu.
Father are my guests, and you're not welcome here. Go.
Hano nta kazi ufite tumuka genda. Nta hantu nje. Nta hantu nje kamufungana umutwe. Ngakareba areba ishyana ko nk'ininja.
Father, you're not going to get my attention.
We ntabwo nzongera kukwitaho rwose. Uhumura pe.
Not tonight. We'll find another time.
Apana uyu mugoroba tuzabishakira ikindi gihe tumuka vano cye.
I'm not going anywhere.
Kandi nakubwiye ko nta hantu
I
nje.
see Rhea.
Genda guma hano nta hantu ndi buki. Uranyirukana unjyana hari ideni nkurimo. Hanze kugenda ni Kalisha. Niba Kalisha yarabuye yamana ari kuza hano nawe. Ndetse ze wirebere yamana kera nasange iki kigori cyari kiri gufasha cyari kiri gufasha Rhea na muze ureba intambara. Kumbe hakuno do Selina. Ari sheni. Shano. Raporo yazanye na afande.
From the prison psychiatrist. It's as you said.
Shingiye kuri raporo y'umuganga wavuriraga umugabo wawe muri gereza bisa nkaho ibintu wavuze ari ukuri. Kuko umugabo wawe yahoze ari umusazi.
Finally.
Nyuma na nyuma.
I told you.
Nari narabikubwiye ariko.
Okay.
Okay.
After he got out of prison.
Nyuma yuko avuye muri gereza.
Continue taking medication?
Yakomeje kunywa imiti cyangwa.
He told me that he was taking them.
Yambwiye ko yari ari kuyinywa. Ariko bisa nkaho yabeshyaga.
Because he had started drinking again.
Kubera ko yasubiye no ku nzoga yongera kunywa inzoga.
It's true.
Nukuri.
All true.
Nukuri pe.
He's a killer.
Uriya mugabo ni umwicanyi umugabo wanjye.
Murder in my living room.
Nsigaye mbana n'umugabo wanjye w'umwicanyi baze ko yaniciye muzehe muri saro y'iwanjye.
Hey Chief, there's something you need to see.
Hari ibintu dushaka kuza ukareba ndaje ndacaho. Ciyeho yasigara Selina.
Father!
Papa!
Come out here and eat something!
Ngwino dusangire ngwinurye. Hakuno muzehe mwibuke ni hahandi Rhea na se batorokeye muri ka kazi ko mu cyaro.
I'm not hungry at all, dear.
Ntabwo nshonje mwana
Do this. You need to eat before we leave.
Muzehe ukeneye kurya mbere yuko tuva mu hano tukagenda. Mwibuke bari gupanga gutoroka igihugu. Alex yarashaka kubafasha.
Let me help you with that.
Reka ngufashe. Zehe. Jano. Umusozi sasa muzehe.
You think that you can run?
Cheka watoroka ugacika atangiye kubona Rhea mubonamo nyina Selina ariko umutocaringa. Uyu mugabo ari umwehu koko we. Mugabo ni umwehu nyamara. Yongera mubonamo Rhea. Canganyukirwa umugabo yaracanganyukiwe amaze igihe atanywa n'imiti imufasha gutuza. Yebe. Sasa hakuno hari amashusho beretse afande. Uriya mugabo Mark Amber atwaye ya modoka ya Selina ya Range Rover y'umweru. Hakuno arayireba neza yitonze amashusho. Sinzi ntabwo ndi kubibona neza. Mugabo yari afite imbunda afite umuntu ari guhondagura
Chief, the autopsy report said head trauma.
Afan,
pass the information to all teams.
Raporo bakoze yasohotse ya autopsy biragaragaza ko muzehe ajya gupfa yishwe no gukubitwa mu mutwe apana kuraswa ngo iki. Listen. Since if Afan yaramuhamagaye. Afan, Yaman.
Ray or Matt with you?
Ria namuze muri
They are. I'm on my way.
Ariko ndi kuja ahantu bari. Okay.
It's the murderer.
Bisa nkaho uriya mugabo, uriya musaza ariwe wishe muzehe sogokuru wawe. Ibyo watekerezaga atari byo kuki?
Okay, Chief.
Safa.
They're at our farmhouse.
Nubundi bari ku kazu kari mu cyaro ahantu, kazu k'iwacu kubaza ahantu mu cyaro, ngo ni mu bishobora muhansanga ikindi ho ndi kwerekeza. Fande yabwiye Yamani amuhibwira ibindi bintu Yamani atarazi. So Yamani ari kugenda mu modoka ya Mukase. Hano ari kureba ari yakamubonamo inde kamubonamo Selina. Ke Selina afite ukuwe na muze badahuza n'urwaye. Ize ari kuvuga ngo baranshutse mbateruza umurambo do. Iye. Tangira kumubonamo Selina. Ari kumutocaringa kwa kuri Selina ajya kujomba utugambo. Hano.
Shut up now.
Father, everything okay?
Papa, ibintu bimeze sawa. Yeah? Usari kubona imidara ari kubona ari Selina kandi ari Lia. Papa, sibaho ariko nsibaho. Sibaho do. Ari kwibona ari Selina. Papa, buretse ibi byo Yamani yavugaga. Dore nkibi byo Yamani yavugaga.
Father, come to your senses.
Papa, tuza ariko tuza.
Don't lie.
Come down. Look at me.
Tuza, Papa, tuza.
I'm real. Wake up.
Papa, njendiriya muze tuza.
Alice, I can't do this now. Will you please?
Alice, ibinago birimo wamba bari kugenda ntanuke. Alice, we. Shira abantu waparitse Yamani yaje. Wanamutumye.
Why we can't get along?
Dore ngiyi impamvu cye nawe tudahuza. Ngiyi impamvu tudahuza. Ria,